Hey guys, today we are unboxing a brand new MacBook Air M4. The thinner, lighter and more powerful than ever. Let's dive straight in. Apple always nailed the unboxing experience, clean, minimal and premium. The box feels sturdy with that classic Apple white design. On the side you have got the MacBook Air branding and at the back some details about this model, and honestly even before opening it's already feel like a luxury. And here it is, the star of the show, the MacBook Air M4, wrapped in an Apple Echo's friendly, protective cover that satisfying feel. Let's get it out. In the box, you also get the charging accessories. The Apple include the MagSafe charging cables with this braided finish and a compact power adapter. Minimal but everything you need to get started. The moment you open the lid, the beautiful liquid retina display lights up instantly. Bezels are super slim, give it in a modern, giving it a modern edge-to-edge look. An area where Apple always surprises is the sound. Such a slim laptop, the quad speaker system, sound rich, loud and balanced. You can clearly hear the bass and crisp vocals, perfect for music, movies or even a video calls. And when it comes to video, the MacBook M4 chip makes everything buttery smooth. Whether you are watching in a 4K HDR or editing a high resolution content, the MacBook Air handles it like a pro. Color props, motion is fluid and the overall experience feels premium. So that's the unboxing and the first experience of the MacBook Air M4. Sleek, powerful and designed to be impressed. If you wanted me to do a full performance review, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech videos.